we're here in the snowy mountains of New South Wales, Perisher. This episode is going to be a fun one. We've got Max, we've got a stack of our mates. I haven't seen snow before. We're going to bring you guys along for the ride.
Already sponsored Red Bull athletes.
Pro athletes. This episode is going to be a fun one. We're going to show you guys how many times I can fall over on a snowboard. We're going to show you around the region, show you a couple of our favourite spots, and hopefully check out one of our mates' Broncos that he's got in the works, because that thing is tough. Anyway, let's go get cold. I think the plan is going to be head up Front Valley. Now, we have been here for a couple of days, I'm not going to lie to you guys. I didn't want to start filming an episode with absolutely no idea about how to ride one of these strange things. So, this is day 4 of us trying to snowboard. So we have got a little bit of hang of it, but you're going to see pretty quickly that we're actually still hopeless. But yeah, I'm excited. Let's get some food into us. So here we are, top of Front Valley. We've got Tommy, Max and Grace. This is like a pretty basic run, but good for the first couple of runs of the day to get your together, I guess. I'm probably going to drop this, so if you see heaps of footage of it sliding down the hill, just disregard it, but let's see what happens, hey? Big stacky. In Leichhardt, I believe now, which is a sick little run. Way quieter, a bit steeper, so it should actually be easier, I reckon. And yeah, hopefully I can film some stuff without dying. That'd be nice. Alright folks, well that is a couple of absolute idiots!
Kidding.
A couple of idiots done with snowboarding for another sesh.
Like you've gone and bought $1,000 worth.
Yeah, not like I've over-invested in a sport that I'm really bad at, but anyway, that's heaps good. I think we've timed it pretty well because the wind's blowing in. It's raining a heap up there. And we've got a fun night ahead of us involving a lot of heavy drinking, and I'm going to bring you along for the ride, so that should be good. If you have any tips on how to help an idiot like me or an idiot like that snowboard better, I'm all ears, so drop them in the comments below, please. Anyway, let's go get up. Alright, drink 100. We're here with Leah. We got the boys. What's going on? Oh my god, he's on 1 AM in Jindy. Tomorrow is exploration day. This is drink 100.
We're gonna be up at 7 AM, but we're good.
We'll see you in the morning, everyone. Say bye. Everyone say bye.
8 o'clock bedtime.
Hey guys, the morning after the night before. It is like 1 degree here. And we are going to go get breakfast, fix ourselves up, fix our heads, and then we're going to go explore and we're going to go check out Jackson's Bronco. So we should have a pretty good day here for you guys. I'm pretty keen. First things first, coffee though, so let's go do that.
We are at the Gungahlin River. Beautiful little trout fishing spot, nice little camping spot.
Proximity of campsite to river is very nice.
Very close, yeah, I love it. There's actually a couple more spots down the end there that are like you're on the river, camping on the bank, which is really hot. Yeah.
Yeah. Shame we had to bring a 105 with us, but
yeah, bit of an eyesore, but
yeah.
We had to do it, yeah. It was a sponsored
contractual thing.
We have to bring this guy with us.
Yeah, so. His last wish is a brain dead individual. Holy fuck! A frozen lake. I think you're right, big dog. This is sick. So we're down here at Jackson's secret spot. Bit of a drive to get here, but look at this. Dude.
Let me see if I can. Dude.
Give it a knock with your knuckles. See if you can get some audio. Dude. Cool thing about coming to places like this with locals is that you get to find cool places, cool spots like this that you would just otherwise never stumble across, I don't think. Very cool. Jackson was saying before how even I think his mates with him and his family come down here, hike all up the river, trout fish and stuff, and like 10k hikes each day, and they just live the dream, and that would be sick. And only like an hour out of Jindy. Very cool.
Photo with him and his big grin on his face.
Okay, picture this. Scratch starts here.
Not at the headlights.
And, oh, sorry.
Right there.
Starts at the headlights.
We rubbed some of it
Oh, it's
out.
right there, my headlights.
Follow it down. Splits into two. Back into one. Back into two. Continues down. This is now panel number 4. Carries on panel number 5. Over the fuel cap. So technically panel 6. Finishing on the tail light. And who's responsible? Yep.
Lucky it's my car.
What did he say? Now we're gonna head to Jackson's little storage shed, where he's got a very cool Bronco project car rather, and we're gonna have a close-up look at it. So that's very exciting. We're gonna head there now.
This is my 1985 Ford Bronco. You all probably know that I've got my Red 80 series as seen on Morton Island. Had this for quite some time now. I did drive it around for a fair few years as like a daily driver down the snowies. Did me really well, but dedicated LPG, needed to go. So parked her up, started pulling things apart, started to rip out the LPG system. Gonna swap petrol, keep original 351, all the works, 4-speed manual. Which is their crawler box, so it's pretty low range, which is nice. I just want to keep it as original as possible. A little bit of patina, as you can see, a little bit of rust here and there. Really not too fussed on it. There's nothing major, which is great. Currently working on interior and petrol, and then I think after that, only thing left to do is suspension. So being Calif Road, we're gonna try get some stuff sorted from America as well. Fox shocks, longer I-beams in the front, probably keep leaves in the rear. So they do so well with leaves in the rear, so gonna keep those, just freshen everything up.
I'm excited. Well, when you get this dog chipped away a bit more, we're gonna have to come down and document it, because I reckon a tough Bronco build is what the people want to see.
Yeah, I think like we could definitely do some cool stuff with it. So that's the thing, it's a pretty clean canvas with how it is at the moment.
What are your thoughts on heading to camp and getting some brewskis and some foodsies?
Dude, I've been hoping you'd say that.
Say less. Well,
Need to get back there.
we'll shut the bonnet, we'll hit the road, and we'll see the Bronco when Jackson's done a bit more chipping away.
Yeah, keen to see it.
Okay, well, in true Sam fashion, forgot to film most of this afternoon's pack up after we left Jackson and seeing that Bronco, but we're back at camp for our last night and it is cold, so I'm gonna rug up, I'm gonna sit down, I'm gonna cook some dinner, we're gonna say goodbye. Tomorrow we drive back to Sydney, but hopefully you've liked this little taste of my first ever snow trip, first ever attempt at snowboarding, first ever Ford Bronco we've had on the channel, and seeing a whole bunch of familiar faces. If you've liked what you've seen, make sure you subscribe, comment, share this video around, and as always, we'll see you next Thursday. Yoo-hoo.